I'm Conrad Shada, owner of Conrad Shada Trucking from Anamosa, Iowa. Trucking has always been a big part of our business. I have enjoyed trucks ever since I was real little. It was something I was always infatuated with, and it is a lifestyle, not a job, especially hauling cattle. Trucking is life for me because it's just been something that I've enjoyed and watched for so many years. Having a Cat reman engine in my truck, it just takes me back to a special time. All of these small farmers had livestock. They would come to my grandfather and father's sale barns. They treated me as one of their own, and it was a wonderful era in trucking. The importance of having a Cat reman engine in my small operation is the reliability. When we get behind the wheel of a truck that has a Cat reman engine in it, we feel confident that we can get to point A to point B. To sum up trucking in one word, I would say tough. If I could say two words, I would just say the best.